Welcome to our maths class. Today we'll be completing lesson 16 of your Common Core Grade 2 Module 3 workbook. Today you will learn how to compare two 3-digit numbers using less than, greater than, and equal to. So if you see 3-digit numbers, you can compare which one is greater than the other or less than, or if the two are equal, that is the same. Alright, so what we want to do first is complete your sprint. They are simple subtraction sentences and addition. For example, you see 9 plus 1 for 10. These are very simple maths that you can do. Let's see if you can complete that in 5 minutes or less. Alright, here is an application problem for our lesson today. At recess, Diane skipped rope 65 times without stopping. Peter skipped rope 20 times without stopping. How many more times did Diane skip rope than Peter? That is the question. How can you solve this question? Can you draw to solve the question? Well, this is a simple subtraction question. Diane skipped rope 65 times. You can draw bundles of 10 and 5 ones. And then Peter skipped rope 20 times. You can draw bundles of 10. 2 bundles of 10. Now, if you cross out 2 bundles of 10 from 6 bundles of 10 and 5 ones, which is 65 minus 20, you're sure going to get the answer, 45. So Diane skipped rope 45 times more than Peter. That is the answer. Do you enjoy skipping rope? I know you do. I know you do. Alright, let us use place value digs to show this number on your place value chart, 74. Which digs will you use? That's it. See, I use 7 digs of 10 and 4 ones, 74. 7 digs of 10 and 4 digs of ones. Let us add 1 dig so that the number becomes 174. Which disk will you add? Will you add 110, 11, or 1 disk of 100? 1 disk of 100 is correct because it will become 174. 174, that's correct. So which number is greater, 74 or 174? Which one will you say is greater? That is one that is larger. $174 is correct. Alright, let us change our disk to show 105. Let's change it to show 105. Which disk would you use from greatest to smallest to show 105? That is it. 1 disk of 100 and 5 disks of 1s. Now, let's make the number 135. 135. Correct. 1 disk of 100, 3 disks of 10, and 5 disks of 1s. Which number is less, 105 or 135? How can you tell? Of course, 135 is more than or greater than 105. So 105 is less than 135. How did I know? Well, since all of them, the two numbers have 100, 100, I compared the tens. I saw that 105 does not have any 10. But 135 has 3 tens. That is already 3 tens more than the 105. That's how we check. Let's check the hundreds, they're the same. But the tens, 135 has 3 tens more than 105. Alright, use a place value disk to show 257 on your place value chart. 257. 2 discs of 100, 5 discs of 10, and 7 ones. Let us change it to show 250. 250. Let's change it. That is it. 2 discs of 100 and 5 discs of 10. 250. Here's a question. Which number is greater? 257 or 250? Which one is greater? Can you say that in a sentence? Alright? 257 is greater than 250. How did I know? I'll tell you. They two have 2 discs of hundreds. So, that is settled. They two also have 5 discs of 10. They're the same there. But look at the ones. 257 has 7 discs of ones, but 250 does not have any ones. That means 257 is 7 ones greater than 250. That's all. So you see, you can easily find out which one is greater than or less than. Alright, so you will take 2 minutes to draw each of the numbers you see now on the screen using hundreds, tens, and ones, and compare with your partner. Check the technique your partner used. Then 2 of you will now compare and see which number is greater, the greatest of the 3. Use the symbols. First one is less than or greater than to write a number sentence for this activity. Now look at these two numbers, 341 and 329. The question is, which number is greater than the other? Which one is less than? If you look at it, the two numbers, the hundreds are the same, 300s, 300s. So what would you do to compare? Look at the tens. 341 has 4 tens. 329 has just 2 tens. So since the hundreds are the same, the tens shows that 341 is greater than 329. I use the tens to compare. So you start comparing with the highest number, the hundreds, because we're talking about hundreds place value chart. And then if they are the same, look at the tens. If the tens are the same, look at the ones. If the two are the same, you can say equal to. But in this case, 341 is greater than 329. Alright, so you're going to complete your lesson 16 problem set. You will draw the numbers and then answer which one is the greatest number, which one is the smallest, and you can write them in the order from the least to the greatest. That is what you're going to do for me in lesson 16 problem set. And then in your number 3, write greater than, less than, or equal to when you see the numbers. For example, 3a says 900 899. What will you write? Is 900 less than 899? No. Is it equal to 899? No. Just one answer. Greater than 899. Alright, complete your lesson 16 problem set and bring your work to class. Thank you very much. Bye.